these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring DIY idea. Guys, I'm here at Dollar Tree and I seen these cute little keychains. They are made like in the disco ball kind of, look or whatever, but they're heart shaped and they are circular. So I really wanted to do a DIY with this. So guys, let's get started with this DIY. Guess what we're gonna make? Okay, so of course we're going to use our disco balls, the round ones and the heart-shaped ones. Then we're going to use our mirror tile that I got from Nephew Glam Decor. We're going to use our Rust-Oleum spray paint that I got from Walmart. And we are going to use some of our diamond wrap I got from Amazon. And this little mirror I got from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so here I'm using some mirror tile, and guys, they do have the mirror tile now at Dollar Tree. They used to sell it a long time ago, but they've rung it back, so check for those disco tile at Dollar Tree. And guys, so right now I'm gonna add some to the bottom and add a little glue to fix some of the pieces or camouflage some of it, and I'm going to clean it off, and I'm going to add it to the stand. Okay guys, so this is how it should be looking. This DIY was so simple, so easy. Guys, I saw these on Etsy and they were $250 for a little small one, guys. But I think this turned out so beautifully for a few dollars. And I hope you all like what you see and we can move on into our next DIY. Okay guys, so these are some beautiful little ornaments and they're disco balls. I thought these were so super cute and they had them in red. So I said, hey, you know what? Let me make another DIY with these. So I got this round mirror from Hobby Lobby and you can get them at Amazon as well. I've gotten them there too. So guys, I'm going to use these disco balls. I have these other disco balls, the bigger ones. I got them from Dollar Tree a while back as well. So I'm going to use them for the bottom feet to the tray that I'm making. Okay guys, so this is how the last DIY turned out. I hope you all like it. It was so simple, so easy, quick, and fun. Guys, it is so fun to go to Dollar Tree and find things that you can do other things with. And guys, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am